And finally, there is a call for worldwide controls on artificial intelligence as increasingly powerful AI chips that are designed for civilian use shift to the battlefield, where killer robots are already the norm. Addressing the inaugural UN Global Dialogue on AI Governance in Geneva, UN Secretary General Antonio Guterres insisted that any future agreement must be worthy of global trust and put safety first, and especially children's, to protect them from digitally generated manipulation and abuse.
And vibe coding can do wonders, but we cannot vibe code the truth. We cannot vibe code the future of humanity. So, dear friends, the warnings are real, but so is the potential. Because the same technology built with purpose is already changing lives for good. A mother in a rural clinic has her scan ready in minutes and her cancer caught in time. A child keeps learning beyond the classroom with a tutor that never tires.
Well, that's all from KTN Business Prime. I'm Nokip Kamboy. Good night.